Paul's here talking about an interesting forecast because we go from a record high yesterday.
Yeah.
To
All-time winter record high.
Isn't that crazy? And then we're going to be, what, seeing some snow?
87
this
degrees
weekend?
yesterday, and we will be about 50 degrees cooler than that by the time Sunday morning rolls around.
Woo.
Never a dull moment in springtime. Let's take a look. Another springtime feature is the pollen count. And even with some showers that came through overnight, the pollen count's going to be sky high today, over 10.5. Juniper, alder, cedar, and maple, the things that are going to be making you sniffle and sneeze. With the pollen count, the number isn't the important part. It's just the categorization. It's definitely going to be in the high category for the next few days because we have dry weather in the forecast the next few days. Now that last night's showers have moved off to the east, and really they fell apart once they got past I-65. We had some rumbles of thunder, even some small hail around Nashville early this morning, around 2:30 or so. That has now moved to the east and has completely just gone away. We're seeing clearing skies across most of the mid-state. Beautiful sunrise in progress. The sun actually peaks over the horizon here in about 6 minutes or so. Looking good from Westside Elementary School in Macon County. Looking good in Smith County. No fog developing because the winds are strong enough to keep the atmosphere stirred around, and there is drier air moving in. And looking good over downtown Nashville as well. We are going to see a lot of sunshine throughout the day with just a few fair weather clouds floating through from time to time. You'll see that on Futurecast in just a second. Do want to check out temperatures as they stand right now. 63 degrees in Nashville, but that's the 6 o'clock reading. When we get the 7 o'clock reading coming up in just a few minutes, I think we're going to be around 60, maybe even down to the upper 50s. But that's still way above normal for the middle of March. Average low temperature is 39. There's no place across the entire mid-state that's even close to that. 50 degrees right now in Paris is the cool spot on the map. Still upper 60s in Crossville as that cooler hasn't quite made it to you just yet, but it will. It's going to be a balancing act between the westerly wind trying to cool us off today and the sunshine trying to warm us back up. So they'll balance out, and the dog walking forecast is looking really good. 70 degrees by noon or close to 70. Into the low 70s for highs this afternoon and still around 70 as you're heading home this evening. Lots of sunshine and just a few passing clouds here and there, which Futurecast shows pretty nicely. Just a bit of cloud cover scooting through from time to time this afternoon. We're going to leave the forecast dry for tonight. Once again, some passing clouds. We had that 20% shower chance in the forecast. I've removed it because I think we're just going to be staying dry across the area. The moisture kind of stays locked up down to our south over the next couple of days. Nice weather tomorrow, back up to around 70 degrees for St. Patrick's Day. And then a pattern shift starts to happen as we head towards the end of the work week. Just increasing clouds on Friday. Still looks like a nice day on Friday. Then Friday evening and Friday night, we start to see an increase in our shower chances because there is going to be that big pattern change that happens. The jet stream, which is the main storm track over North America, has been pushed way up to our north for the first half of the month of March, but over the weekend it's going to be pretty much right on top of us. Not only is it the main storm track, it also divides the warm air to the south from the cool air to the north. We've been in that warm air for the first half of the month, but with that jet stream right on top of us, the cool air gets a lot closer. So you'll notice a big difference in our temperatures by Saturday and Sunday. And as little ripples travel through that jet stream, it's going to bring some off and on showers to the forecast. Beginning Friday night, but off and on showers still possible over the weekend. Not a washout, just be flexible with any outdoor plans in case those showers decide to pay you an ill-timed visit. We'll check out the details of the 7-day forecast one more time coming up in just about 4 minutes.
All right. Thank you, Paul.